Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asadul from batch 46 ID 179. Today I'm going to talk about our 2024 July Revolution. July Revolution is not only a revolution, it was the voice of discrimination. It was the voice of students, it was the voice of discrimination against the job fair, against the job. In Bangladesh, there's many type of discrimination, but in job, in government job actually, there is a lot of discrimination. There is quotas, lots of quotas. So students want the government should no quota system in the job system. Actually, when in 2024, it was not only 2024, it was 2018. There is the first the student uprised their voice against quota system, but their voice actually stopped the time. But again, in 2024, 1st of July or first week of July, students uprised their voice on quota system. Mainstreamly, Dhaka University students, they uprise their voice against quota system. First, they want no quota system in the job fair, in the job. But government answered with violence to students. They killed students, they murdered, and not only students, the supporter of government like Awami student, Awami League, Student League, lots of people, they attract student. That's why the quota system, the students very angry with the government. Students want, and not only students, when students kill their parents, their family, also join this quota system, join this revolution. That's why this revolution is going to be big. It is big. That's why this revolution occurred. In Bangladesh, at time July 2024, like July 18, the people of government, the supporters of government, like Student League, attacked Dhaka University student. They tried to shut down. They tried to shut down the university hall, like this. So that time, students and their family and the people of Bangladesh wants Sheikh Hasina and their government to resign. But they didn't fail. The government didn't stop the killing. They killed people. They killed many students in brutal way. They killed unweaponed people, unweaponed students. They kill people, student, they have no weapon, just only a stick, nothing else. They kill brutally, and they kill like a people, like a student who are serving the water in the student, among the student. That's why the student is very angry. And there are one words that Sheikh Hasina said, like, if the children of freedom fighters should not get quota, the children of Razakar get quota. This is a very disrespectful word. That's why students are very angry about against Sheikh Hasina. Then the 5th of August, Sheikh Hasina fly to other country and escape from Bangladesh, escape from her own country. Not only Sheikh Hasina, her lots of parliament members escape from Bangladesh, escape from their own country. Then actually our July Revolution comes true in this situation. That was our bigger win. The dictatorship, the Sheikh Hasina's journey ends. That was the July Revolution. That was a little bit of July Revolution. We open our new door, new Bangladesh. So many times we tried, but that time, the July 2024, we succeed our revolution. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for hearing me.